How to skip character AI waiting room. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can skip character AI waiting room on your character AI app. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and you have to make sure that character AI app was updated. Then after that, you have to log into your character AI app or sign up to your character AI. So to skip the character AI waiting room, you have to go for the chat option. On the chat option, you can see your chat with your character generated AI. After that, on the top, there is a get C.ai plus. Go for that. Here you have to purchase your subscription to skip the waiting room, faster response time, all the access to new feature, community access, membership support badge. It will cost you $9.99. So to skip character AI waiting room, you have to pay a subscription amount. So to pay a subscription amount, you have to pay it by your debit card or credit card. So that's the process how to skip your character AI waiting room by purchasing the subscription on your character AI. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.